Hello, welcome to week 1, Business Statistics Terminology. This week, let's go over some terminology. Go over some words. Statistics. What is statistics? Statistics is the practice or science of collecting and analyzing numerical data in large quantities, especially for the purpose of inferring proportions in a whole form, those in representative sample. Population. Population. In statistics, population refers to the total set of observations that can be made. Perimeter. Perimeter. A perimeter is any summary number, like an average or percentage, that describes the entire population. Statistical. Sample. A set of data collected in the world selected from the statistical population by a defined procedure. Descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics is a brief descriptive coefficients that summarize a given data set, which can be either a representation of the entire or a sample of the population. Inferential statistics. Inferential statistics is, with inferential statistics, you take data from samples and make generalizations about a population. Qualitative variables. Qualitative variables are variables that are not numerical. Quantitative variables. Quantitative variables are numerical. They represent a measurable quantity. Discrete variable. Discrete variable. Variables that can only take on a finite number of variables are called discrete variables. Continuous variable. Continuous variable. A continuous variable is one that can take on infinitely many uncountable values. Data. Data. Data are individual pieces of factual information recorded and used for the purpose of analysis. Simple random sampling. Simple random sampling, a subset of a statistical population in which each member of the subset has an equal probability of being chosen. Stratified sampling. Stratified sampling refers to a type of sampling method. With stratified sampling, the researcher divides a population into separate groups called strata. Systematic sampling. Systematic sampling is a probability sampling method where the elements are chosen from a target population by selecting a random starting point and selecting other members after a fixed sampling interval. Cluster sampling. Cluster sampling refers to a type of sampling method. With cluster sampling, the researcher divides the population into separate groups called clusters. Convenience sample. Convenience sampling. A convenience sample is a type of non-probability sampling method where the sample is taken from a group of people easy to contact or to reach. Multi-stage sampling. Multi-stage sampling is taking of samples in stages using smaller and smaller sampling units at each stage. All right, thank you so much.